What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am working on a 250. I bought this car a few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, and I was waiting for parts, and it was hard to find some parts for this car, but then as you can see the damage is huge. Fender, hood, and then there was this glass support and rebar, they are all damaged. This fender is damaged too. But first, I'm going to take off this fender, this hood, and then that fender. But first I have to take off this rocket and this plastic, so that we can take off the fender and then parts, especially with the headlight and the bumper. It was so hard to find, but luckily I found it, and that is a surprise that I will show you later on. So let's do it. Oh. So first I have to take off this rocket. There are a few clips. I tweak a few clips here, like this clips. Take off, and then there are one over here. You need to take it off, and then just take off the. The one rocker is off. Now it has two nuts here, and then one bolt here, and then one here, and probably one more here, and then this. There are some movements here. It would be the best to change the hinges, because we know that the hinges are moved, and yeah, so. I found these fenders, two fenders, and the hood, new hood, and the bumper. And look at that, it's like it matches, the color matches so good. And these are the old fenders, and I have to change this module. So this module, I want to put this module on this, in this bumper, because it might need coating if I use that one, the used one, because that one was 2016 and this car is 2018. So I want to use this one, just to be safe. Alright. Okay, just like that. Use this one, the original one. The original one I mean from the car. screw in. Okay, this line out. Okay, this one lines up. And then good. There are two more things remain that I have to do before I can take this car to road. First, I know the engine runs, but I don't know if it runs well. And I have no idea if there is any problem with the engine. And in the next video, we will find out altogether if there is any problem with the engine. And the second, whenever we rebuild a car in Canada, we have to take it to a certified inspection shop, and they will inspect the car. If there is anything wrong, they are not going to pass the car. So in order to pass the inspection, this car has to be faultless. All the features have to work, like sensors, cruise, everything have to work. So in the next video, we are going to find out together. First, the engine is going to run properly, or if there is anything wrong with the engine or not. And second, can this car pass the inspection? And if you are still watching this video and you are here, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now it is time to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will see you next week.